Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is dynamic passbox. What is it? How does it work? And why is it crucial for contamination control? Introduction to passboxes. In pharmaceutical and cleanroom environments, maintaining a contamination-free workspace is critical. One key tool that helps in this process is the passbox. But not all passboxes are the same. Today, we'll focus on the dynamic passbox, its working principle, and its importance. What is a dynamic passbox? A dynamic passbox is a controlled enclosure used to transfer materials between two different classified areas while preventing cross-contamination. Unlike a static passbox, which relies on passive air exchange, the dynamic passbox actively uses HEPA or ULPA filtration to maintain air cleanliness. Key features of dynamic passbox: equipped with HEPA/ULPA filters, efficiency 99.99% at 0.3 microns, UV light sterilization to kill microbes, interlocking doors to prevent simultaneous opening. SS304/SS316 body for pharmaceutical compliance. How does a dynamic passbox work? Let's break down the working principle of a dynamic passbox step by step. Material loading. Items are placed inside the pass box from the lower classified area. HEPA filtration activated. Airflow begins, filtering out contaminants. UV sterilization. The UV light kills any remaining bacteria or microbes. Interlocking mechanism. The entry door locks automatically to prevent both doors from opening simultaneously. Safe transfer. Once air purification is complete, the opposite door unlocks, allowing material transfer. Importance of dynamic passbox in pharma. Now, why is the dynamic passbox so important in pharmaceuticals? Prevents cross-contamination, ensures product and personnel safety, maintains air purity, removes airborne particles before entering a higher classified area, improves process efficiency, reduces human intervention in material transfer, ensures regulatory compliance, meets GMP, ISO, and FDA guidelines. Applications of dynamic passbox. Dynamic passboxes are widely used in industries that require a controlled environment, such as pharmaceutical manufacturing, for raw materials and finished products, biotechnology labs, for research and testing facilities. Food beverage industry, ensuring hygiene in food production, semiconductor electronics, for particle-sensitive components, maintenance best practices. To keep your dynamic passbox working efficiently, follow these maintenance tips. Regular HEPA filter replacement, as per manufacturer guidelines. Routine cleaning with IPA to remove microbial contamination. Check door interlock system to ensure safety. Monitor airflow velocity for consistent performance. Conclusion, wrap up. Call to action, and that's everything you need to know about dynamic passboxes in the pharmaceutical industry. These advanced enclosures play a vital role in maintaining a contamination-free environment. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more pharmaceutical technology insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.